It is the beginning of day 2, 9:30 in the morning. I am up, showered, having my breakfast, and doing a little YouTubing till I get myself organized here. All of this stuff that's in front of these cubbies kind of has to go somewhere, so yeah. Everything kind of looks the same as last night. I left yesterday to go to the gym last night and then came back and literally just sat here. I actually hooked up all my wires, cables, got my extension cord and my hot, I was going to say hot glue gun, but my heat gun. Cheesecake's bag came back this morning, so she's super happy. She was like wondering where that went. And I did all that so I could get my light put up in here and my computer plugged in. And pretty much that's all I did. I was so tired. Yesterday walking Jonathan to school, I fell on the ice a couple times, did a few lunges, so my body hurt, but I still went to the gym. And then after that I was just pooped. So this is where I'm at today. All the furniture is moved around except for the final desk. It is actually back there with a whole bunch of stuff on it. The desk and that filing cabinet are going to come over and continue on here. And then I'm hoping to have clear space over in front of those bookcases. I still have to bring back my 2 carts. And then everything else that's left is like these buckets and photo boxes with stuff in it. And that's the part that I have to do is like this. There's cards in there. There's die cuts. I don't know. There's all kinds of stuff. That's another one just with all finished cards. There's some toys. These 2 were the ones that were my stamps were originally in. And as I was emptying them into the fridge bins, half of it I started putting other stuff in. So I think it's actually just like scraps and things that were on my desk. So I have to go through all of that. And then I have a ton of buckets like this that are either cards or card bases or just pieces of paper that I cut down that are just, or envelopes all over the place. So I have to bring all that stuff in and put it all together. But the first thing that I'm going to do is go up here because everything was so dusty on the other side of the room. I'm pretty sure that side's really dusty too. It could be why I'm sniffling and sneezing a lot. So me and my Swiffers are going to get up there, take everything down, dust it, and put back what I want to. And then same for the top of the IKEA shelving. And I'm going to switch out some of those cards and stuff that are up on the little hangers. Yeah. So, I do have another one of these storage cubes from 31 that I'm going to probably put some of this stuff, blings and flowers, put that in. And I have another one of these hanging shelves that I'm going to put underneath. So I'm going to do like the same in these 2, the shelf and the storage, shelf and storage. So switch things around. I have one more fridge bin and I think I'm going to put the other fridge bin beside because I had another one left. I bought 6 total. So I have these 4 that are majority stamps with some dies in. So basically what I did was like Greeting Farm, I have 1 die. The ones that are sets that have their dies are with them in here. So the only thing is they slide down and then the ones in the front pop up. So I don't know. I want to rewatch Jennifer's video on these because I'm wondering if she puts like a non-slip mat in the bottom of them. Because otherwise, like if they're not full, they slide down to the front a lot and tend to push those ones up, which is a little bit annoying. I don't know. And I don't want them too full because I want to be able to flip through them. Like I do have everything inventoried on my phone and my computer. But I don't know, I like to flip through. That's why I have them up here, and it's perfect height. This is me standing looking at them, so I can go through and just pull them out and see what I want. See, there's some dies in there for Avery-Elle, and then stamps. So I can see what I want, grab it, and turn around and go back to my desk. So I like that. These ones will be up a bit higher. Ooh, but that's okay. Yeah. Alright, so I don't know, I might film doing this part, we'll see. Alright, we'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so it's about 4:38 on day 2. It obviously has been a lot more slower today. Not as much progress. I did get all of my buckets labeled. I picked up this tape. Let me see if I can find the roll to share with you guys. It's actually a 3M. You can see the inside. It's whiteboard tape. So I just use a whiteboard marker and I can wipe them off and redo them. So whenever I change whatever's in my buckets, which I do pretty often sometimes, at least the smaller ones I would say. Big ones, meh, sometimes it stays, but like obviously I have 2 huge buckets of ribbon and that's not all the ribbon I have. So that's something that's definitely going to need to go through and make it a lot smaller, but I thought this would be really cool because I can just wipe it off and write on a new label. So I did all of my rubber containers like that. I also have those black boxes that are from IKEA and they just have paper that slid out, so I slid out the paper and I covered them with the whiteboard tape so they match and I can change them. I thought it was really cool. What else? So I have started organizing, or sorting, I guess, what's in all my little buckets, all of the stuff that's left to come back into the room. So I have a pile of stickers. This is glitter paper, empty buckets. That turquoise one back there, I'm putting paper in for now, like scraps and stuff, till I decide what to do. Those two containers are all stamped images. This is all either pre-cut cards, card fronts, or envelopes. And then I went through the buckets and boxes of cards that I have made that were in this room. I think I still have more in Jonathan's room, but that bucket is unfinished. I have a bad habit of not finishing off the insides of my cards because I would rush to get them done so that I could do my videos to share the card, but not actually finish the inside. So that is going to be one of my first projects, is to finish off the insides of all these cards. These cards are all done. These ones are all done. And big stack of empty buckets. Yay! Makes me feel good. Just started another one with ribbons and trims. There's another empty card box there. Yeah, so now I am going to head back into Jonathan's room, grab some more buckets and boxes and bring them back in and sort through those ones. Hi guys, just having a dinner break and I thought I would share where things are at right now. I think from my day one footage, people are thinking, oh, you should be done by now. What's going on? No, this is all the stuff in Jonathan's room. This is Jonathan's room. Hammy. That I need to go through to get back into my room. So there's cart number 1, all of these buckets, all of this stuff. All of this is mine. This is all the stuff that was on the floor. This is humidifier. And all of this stuff all over his bed. And all of this. Unfortunately, he does not come to the room. And I do have my other cart here. And one more bucket of craft stuff down here. So I still have to go through all of this stuff and somehow fit it into my craft room, which is, I don't want to make you guys too dizzy. It's looking okay, but it's still pretty full. All of this stuff is on the ground for me to sort through, but I don't want it on the ground when I'm done, so yeah. And then again, still this corner to sort and organize. So I still have a ton of work. As you can see, I'm organizing some stuff on my desk there. And I'm hoping to get this done because I'm really tired of doing it already. It's only day 2, but I really just want to craft. I know, I want to make some cards. All right, so that is just where we're at right now.